Hi, my name's Rachel Terry and I work in Craven Museum. I'd like to share with you something that I've treasured for many, many years, and it's this slightly shabby looking now, but was once lovely, Hooky rug. And this was made by a really good friend of my grandma's, whom I used to go and visit with my grandma when she was probably in her late 70s and I was a little girl of about 7 or 8. And we'd go there and I would sit on the floor, and Miss Simpson, if that was her name, she had these rugs all over the floor, and they were made from old clothes that were cut up and then hooked into a Hessian background. You can see the back there, just in long strips. And I was really inspired when I used to go and visit, and she had these all over the floor, on the stone floors of her house. And I just used to love them. I think it was because I was young and I used to sit on them, so I was really close to them. And I just remember one day she said to my grandma, "Oh look, that rug, that's got your grandfather's trousers in there," and he was a postman, so they were really hard wearing, and they were really good for making a rag rug with.